Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a package from Mirage Luxury Travel. I reached out to them to see if they would send over a watch roll, and they agreed to do so. I actually don't know which watch roll is in here. They asked me which one I wanted to check out, and I just said, send over whichever one you want to feature. So let's just cut this thing open. Hopefully I don't cut anything too important. And let's just dig into this. So I'll leave a link in the description to their website. Please go check them out. I've never had a watch roll before, so this will be a first time experience for that. It's packaged quite well here. One more incision ought to do it. Alright, got that first layer of padded envelope off, and now we have a second layer here. So, very well packaged. I usually like to save these and use them for packaging as well, but we'll just dig in here. I don't need to make a bunch of precise cuts. Got a bunch of watches I need to sell. So we'll, anyway, let's dig into this. So this is a 2-watch case, Jade Black, and Mirage is the name of the company. So yeah, let's check it out. Here we go, Mirage Luxury Travel. So a little bit of information here. There's the owner, Ralph. So that's pretty cool. Some directions there. There's a card. And microfiber cloth here. So yeah, very nice cardboard box with all this packaging here. And then they have a bag for the case. Set this stuff off to the side. Kind of reminds me of a, I don't drink really, but this reminds me of a bag that Crown Royal comes in. I don't know if they still do or not, like I said, but anyway, let's get this open. Yeah, very nice. 2-watch case here, travel case. Oh, that's cool. It has pieces here that stick out and then they slide into these slots here, so the watches won't rotate on you. So we can zoom in, get a little better look at this. Yeah, I don't know if this is a common thing or not, so that's pretty neat. Looks like nice leather. Really nice. So let's put 2 of my nicer watches in here, since this is a nice watch roll. We'll go with this one here. Grand Seiko Snowflake SBGA 211. Every time I pick this up, it kind of throws me for a loop because it's so light. Man, I really like the spring drive. I don't wear this that much, but anyway, let's get it on here. Hopefully my wrist size. So my wrist size might be a little bit too small for this. maybe we'll put it in like this without closing it. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and of course my watches are sized for 6.5 inches. So I don't want to cinch down on these too much. No, maybe I can try it. Let's see. Let's grab this watch here. My Seiko, Grand Seiko. Yeah, you know, I think I can get the snowflake on here all the way too. So let's do that real quick. So let me know in the comments if you guys use these kind of cases for traveling. I don't really travel that much, but I just wear one watch. Usually I will wear my SKX. It should be around here somewhere. Yeah, here we go. This is kind of like my vacation watch. I just like to wear this on vacation. This is a watch I'll never sell, so it's just nice to have something that I can remember trips with. I'm gonna have to fix that link again. Anyway, let's cinch this one down. We'll get it in the case and see how it looks. There we go. I'm afraid of breaking the bracelet. Yeah, so look at that. Looks very nice. Let's latch it up. Yeah, this will definitely do a good job of protecting the watches. So let me know if you guys have much experience with these, if you use them. Like I said, this is the first time I've had one in hand. Usually when I travel, I just wear the watch on my wrist. I try not to take any, well, my SKX. It's not too expensive, but I would hate to lose it. It kind of has some sentimental value to me, but anyway. Yeah, very nice. Thank you to Mirage Luxury Travel for sending this out. And like I said, I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. And that website is mirageluxurytravel.com. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Like the video if you've liked it. And let's chat down in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. So I got a little too excited about the unboxing, and I didn't turn on all of my studio lights. So I just figured I would add a little bit to the end of the video here with all the lights turned on. See if you can get a little better look at this case here. So some nice padding. This is almost looks like suede. I would say it's probably stitched over some wood here, and then these inserts are nice and padded with this I guess it'd be a suede covered wood piece here, or maybe that's plastic, but it just slides into the grooves on the case. This will look the same, but what the heck, we'll just show this one off too. Well, the watch won't look the same, but the padding, same thing. And obviously you can switch them from side to side if you want. This doesn't matter which side is facing out. It's the same leather on both sides. So yeah, just a couple more minutes here, better looking at this in the light here. And it snaps shut easy enough there. All right, if you stayed around to the end, thank you, appreciate it, and catch you guys on the next video here.